Hello Pisces, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Pisces, this is your reading for the month of October 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay, Pisces, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. If you find yourself getting resonated with this reading, I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Pisces, there is an extended reading for this one, and if you are interested in the same, if you're excited to know what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person, you can go ahead and you can check out the link that has been provided in the description box and in the comment section. Okay, Pisces, look, we'll also see what are the romantic messages available for you for the month of October in the extended reading, and most importantly, we'll also see why you're experiencing stagnancy and what exactly you can do to overcome that stagnancy. Okay, now as far as this reading on the YouTube is concerned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, we'll pull some oracle cards. With the help of oracle cards, we'll see what are the messages available for you for the month of October. Okay. All right, let's get started now. Let's get started. We have is 9 of Pentacles, then we have Star, and we have is 4 of Pentacles for you. For your person, 6 of Wands, then Page of Swords and 6 of Swords. Mutual energy is King of Swords and the Judgment. Let's pull out the oracle cards also and let's see what are the messages available for you. What are the messages available for you for the month of October, Pisces? Interesting. We are going to talk about the oracle cards at the fag end. We are going to discuss the tarot cards first. You may be dealing with Sagittarius, a strong presence of Sagittarius. You may be dealing with Aquarius, okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs, okay? All right. 9 of Pentacles, the Star, and 4 of Pentacles. Pisces, you're clearly enjoying your singlehood. Okay, you're enjoying being single, you're enjoying not having the burden of your life, burden of relationship, burden or obligation to make others happy. Okay, look, when you are in a relationship, obviously you do not experience the kind of you do not experience the freedom the way you experience freedom when you are single, right? So there are a bit of compromises when you get in a relationship. So as of now that you're single, you're really enjoying your singlehood like you're really loving it a lot. Okay, and people look at you and people are a bit jealous that you're single and you're enjoying your life to the fullest, or whatever is happening in your life. Okay, you may be attracting abundance, you may be experiencing some promotions, you may be experiencing increase in your salary, or money is coming your way, Pisces. And what I see is that the abundance that you are experiencing right now, or the abundance that you will experience in the near future, people are going to get jealous. Okay, especially people who see you on daily basis. Okay, you are rising up in your life, Pisces, and you know that intuitively, you know that you're rising up. And I'm also feeling that you may attract some name, fame and reputation, especially if you have a presence of social media. Okay, with that 4 of Pentacles, you are making some conscious efforts to hold yourself back or make yourself unavailable for people who you think are not so good for you. Say for example, you have certain friends in your life, but you are not very excited to meet them, or not just about being excited or not, but you feel like there is no point in hanging out with them because you have never experienced the real joy of friendship with them. Okay, and you feel like it's better to stay alone than being with wrong people, so you're making some conscious decisions to distance yourself from someone. You are also spying on your ex right now. You're holding yourself back. You're completely, it's a zero presence on social media. But what I see is that you're spying. You're spying on your person right now. Okay? Out of curiosity, you're spying on them. You know that you are on the verge of moving on. You know that you're on the verge of attracting better people in your life. Maybe I'm just sensing this, Pisces, that you're a bit worried about your ex. Look, you know what? Even if they may have done something to you, but there was a time when you really, really loved this person. Okay, and especially during this Mercury retrograde, thoughts about this ex was popping up. They were popping up in your mind, and I'm sensing there is a bit of a worry. Although this is not going to remain for a very long period of time on your mind, okay? This may be a small phase, but I'm sensing you're a bit worried about your ex, okay? Like, what are they doing? Are they okay? Are they not? Some of you may also be asking your friends, okay? Or this can also be their energy. They are worried about you, okay? So what I feel is that I'm also hearing that pets are of some importance for you guys, Pisces. You either have pets at your home and you have a very special bond with them. Those, for some of you, those pets are your soulmates. Okay, they entered in your life to make you really happy. Okay, to calm down the stress in your life, and you have a soul connection with your pets. That's what I'm feeling. Like, you feel really nice and really relaxed when you're with them. Okay, some message of pets I'm hearing, whether you have a cat or a dog or any other pet you have at home. You have a special bonding with them as compared to other family members. You may be having a very special bond with your pets. Okay, so let's see what is the energy of your person, Pisces. We have Six of Swords, we have Page of Swords, and we have Six of Wands. Wow, this person is also spying on you, Pisces. Huh. This person, they are asking about you to their friends, common friends or colleagues. Hey, what is going on in Pisces life? Are there any updates about Pisces? Okay, so with that Six of Swords, I feel that this person, Six of Swords and Six of Wands, this person is going to pop up in your life, Pisces. All of a sudden they are going to pop up in your life. Okay, they may have left someone. With a Six of Swords, I'm getting that they may have left someone. If this person was married, this person is no more married. If this person was with someone else, a third party or someone, they are no more with the third party. This person is single right now. Yes, this person is clearly single right now. Okay, they are not with anyone and they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. This person has a very, very strong intention to come towards you, and let me tell you that, Pisces, they are going to come back irrespective of the length of the period of separation. Like, even if you guys are separated for like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, whatever, 10 years, this person is going to pop up in your life all of a sudden. Okay, couple of months, 10 years, whatever the separation period is, they are going to pop up in your life all of a sudden. Okay, and you will be surprised. This is going to be unexpected. You will be very much surprised. Okay. uh, Apart from that, I feel, Pisces, you are a very protected soul. Okay, your ancestors are watching you, and they just want you to settle down now. They don't want any wrong person to enter in your life. They don't want anyone to screw up your life now. Okay, your ancestors are watching you, and they are also sending someone your way. Okay, a new person. They just want you to settle down now. They have seen you uh, struggle with your life. Okay, they have seen you going through a lot of ups and downs, and probably, Pisces, what I feel is that your soul had signed a contract that you are ready to experience some traumatic love situations before you find the one for yourself. Okay, and you have had a lot of painful experiences in the past, and you had those painful experiences because you signed up for that. Okay, and now is the time. With a Judgment card, the time is nearby to experience the true love. Okay, the time to experience the true love is quite nearby, and whatever you were meant to experience, the pain that you were meant to experience is done. It's done and dusted from your life. So even if someone from the past pops up, it is just going to be a temporary thing, is what I'm feeling. Okay, but I'm sensing over here, Pisces, someone is worried. Either you are worried or they are worried for you. Someone is worried over here for the other person. Okay, again, I'm sensing that this is a temporary phase, but yes, this may be the residue effects of the Mercury retrograde that ended on 18th. Okay, but what I'm feeling is this. I'm surprised, even if this is the residue effect of Mercury retrograde, it should have ended on 18th. It shouldn't have got carried forward. And what I'm sensing is this is someone is worried. Okay, but also I'm sensing that this is going to be a temporary phase. Okay, you are still defensive, acting defensive. Okay, and by now you should get comfortable with the fact that someone hurt you in the past, and you should have healed from that. So when I say you should have become comfortable, I mean that you should have healed from that situation now. You are still acting defensive, and this King of Swords is only a reminder that you still need to heal certain areas. Okay, because look, I just want you to be ready, because with that Judgment card, it's quite clear, Pisces, that someone new is about to enter in your life, and this person is the one for you. Okay, this person is gonna one for you, and don't jump into the relationship right away. Take your time to know the person, and also, they should also make some efforts to know you first. Okay, it should not be like you, me, and bed. No, and I'm not saying that's how you approach the relationships, but what I'm sensing is that, what I'm trying to say is make efforts to know the person first. Okay, now that you have burnt your fingers in the past, you better be cautious in your approach. You better make some it sometimes it is also good to bring rational and logic in your approach at times. Okay, yes, definitely definitely listen to intuition, your guts, and everything, but sometimes it is also good to bring rational and logic in the approach and in a situation. Okay, so if this resonates, hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, and If you're interested in the extended reading, the link is in the description box and in the comment section. We'll see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person, and we'll also see what are the romantic messages for the month of October. We'll also see why you're experiencing stagnancy in your love life and what you need to do to overcome that stagnancy. Okay, right. So the link is in description box and in the comment section. We are going to discuss the oracle cards right now. Happy family, blossoming abundance, sun and 7 chakra archangel Uriel. Exactly. Someone is overthinking. Okay, with that, a 7 chakra is a crown chakra. Your headspace is crowded. You're overthinking about someone or something. Okay, don't do that. Maybe are you feeling that your intuition is off right now? Okay, you may be feeling that your intuition is off. You may be feeling like you don't get the intuitive downloads anymore. Okay, and you're a bit worried about that. or if you are not worried about it, you're just feeling like, I don't get the intuition nowadays. Why? Okay. Right. And Pisces, I want you to get into I want you to start meditation. Okay, because I want you, what is happening is, let me tell you that what I'm sensing is, because you're fearful out of the outside world. Sometimes you become fearful because you think that people they don't even know you, but they just look at you and then they start sending you evil eye. Okay, or they just trigger you for no reason. Okay, and people become jealous of you for no reason. That's why probably you have isolated yourself from the world and you're doing something of your own, sitting at home and doing something of your own. Okay, and look, it is always good to distance yourself from the negative souls. Okay, but when it is inevitable, especially once you start walking down the path of success, okay, it is bound to happen. I mean, you're bound to meet people. Okay, and especially if your profession is such where you're meant to influence people, okay, you're bound to get exposed to large number of people. Okay, what you're going to do at that point of time? Isolate yourself, shut yourself down in a room, because I don't want any kind of negative eyes or evil eyes. No, don't do that. Start doing meditation, because what I'm sensing is, for some of you at least, your life purpose is to get out. Your life purpose is to influence people. Your life purpose is to talk to people, meet people. Okay, your life purpose, especially if you're doing job, it's inevitable that you talk with people. Okay, some of you may become influencers, some of you are psychics. Okay, some of you are really intelligent people. Okay, and some of you are meant to rise up the ladder of the success. Okay, you're meant to reach the helm of the hierarchy. Okay. Over there, you will have to interact with plethora of people on daily basis. What are you going to do? Are you going to shut yourself in a room because you're feeling like, oh no, people are sending me negative eyes, people are sending me evil eye? No. Okay, how to protect yourself? The best way is to do meditation. Do meditation on a daily basis. Make your soul so fucking strong that whosoever, like, let thousands and lakhs of people send evil eyes, okay, towards you, it should not affect you. That's how strong you should be. Okay, so meditation really helps in doing that. Start meditating, Pisces. Okay, this was an intuitive message. So you are meant to experience a family situation very soon. Okay, some of you, or you have started walking down the path in that direction. Some of you may have to heal the family issues. Some of you may have to forgive your parents. With that blossoming abundance and sun card, definitely abundance is happening for you. Okay, monetary abundance, success, name, fame, reputation. Okay, money is increasing. For some of you, I'm sensing that inheritance is coming your way, or you're selling off some property and money is increasing. Your bank balance is increasing. Okay, All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye bye, Pisces. If you're interested in the extended, link is in the description box and in the comment section. Okay, bye bye.